Look no further than the 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan. This vehicle still has fewer than 80,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Enjoy owning a vehicle that's your true blue ally in the face of life's ever-increasing demands. The Grand Caravan's smart, versatile design has you covered in safety and comfort. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, backup camera, heated mirrors, steering wheel audio controls, rear AC, multi-zone AC, third row seat, stability control, rear spoiler, intermittent wipers. Don't miss out on the chance to have the family vehicle that maximizes comfort, safety, and fun. Drive the Grand Caravan.